guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. This is Small Town 6 and my name is Tiffany. I'm a stay-at-home mama of 4 kids and 2 fur babies, and I'm married to my husband Ryan. Today what we are doing is a fun group project again, a big collaboration. A whole bunch of ladies are getting together and we are making a recipe with the theme this week's is chicken. So we're all going to make something with chicken in it. So once you get done with my video, I have a link down at the bottom in my description box. Click on that link and go to the next person's video. All of these videos are awesome. These ladies make amazing meals, so I know you will love them. So like I said, when you get done with my video, check out theirs. What I'm going to be making today is actually something different I haven't made before. My neighbor, Allie, she made this and she's awesome. She had a big group of us over for a meeting for the football team, for all the moms. Okay, so if you've seen any of my other videos, I take the chicken, like whenever the recipes ask for cooked chicken, I go ahead and make that in my Instant Pot because you can't go wrong with the Instant Pot. If you don't have one, you need one. This is a lifesaver for busy moms, busy people, just in general. I cooked it in there for about 15 minutes in my Instant Pot, and I put 2 cups of chicken broth in it, put it on high pressure, and that's it. The chicken's cooked, it's done, and now I can use it in the recipe that I'm gonna share with you. Okay, so what we're gonna need for today's recipe is 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. We're gonna need pepper, salt, slivered almonds. I try to pick my groceries up from Aldi's, pick them out. They don't ever have sliced ones, so I went to Kroger's and picked up some sliced almonds. Need a cup of diced celery. I'm going to omit that in this recipe because they're not big fans of celery in recipes, and honestly, I forgot to get it at Aldi's yesterday. So we'll take that out. 2 cups of chicken breast, and then 1 cup of mayonnaise. And you're going to need 1 cup of shredded cheese. And also 1 cup of crushed potato chips. I'm just using wavy kind. Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. And there is the finished product of the casserole. Try to scoop some of that out and show you. Look at that. There you go. Easy weeknight dinner, or it's perfect for taking somewhere. Actually, I should have crushed the chips up better because my neighbor's was a little bit more like fine crushed. Maybe because she didn't use wavy chips, but either way, it's an all-in-one type of meal. Okay guys, so today I am making teriyaki chicken. It's a pretty simple recipe. It's in a cookbook, so it's a healthier version of standard teriyaki chicken. Simple ingredients. I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. You guys need one if you don't have one. I'm sure you can combine all this into your crock pot and let it cook probably on low for about 6 hours, 7 hours, or on high for 3 to 4. I'm sure it would do the same thing. But I'm going to use my Instant Pot today. I'm going to need 1 pound of chicken breast, half a cup of coconut aminos. It's these little things. It's basically soy sauce, but this is like some healthy version of it that's supposed to be really good for you. People use liquid aminos a lot to sub out. I'm going to need 1/4 cup of raw honey. Got that at Aldi's. I got this at Kroger. 5 cloves of minced garlic. I always just use this because it's way easier than chopping and less stinky on your hands. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. A teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. I don't have that, so I'm going to look up what the sub could be for that. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. A tablespoon of arrowroot flour. I couldn't find arrowroot flour. I don't live in an area where they have like the health food stores and all that. It's just luck of the draw at your Walmart or your Kroger if they have anything healthy like that. We don't have Whole Foods or anything where I live. So I'm going to use wheat flour. Then 6 cups of frozen stir-fry vegetables. I just got a bag of that stir-fry mix from Aldi's. And then a cup of fresh or frozen pineapple chunks. Got that. And then rice to serve it with. It says you can make your own veggie brown rice in here. I'm not doing that. When this is done cooking in the Instant Pot, I'm going to throw some of my jasmine rice in the Instant Pot for 7 minutes and serve it with this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm going to start by putting the trivet in the Instant Pot. I like to use this because it keeps the chicken from sticking to the bottom of the Instant Pot, because a lot of times you'll get a burn warning on it. So I always use that when I have to put like meat or vegetables in it, because I don't trust, this isn't a non-stick Instant Pot liner. So just to be on the safe side, it's super annoying when you get a burn message on these things. So I'm going to put the chicken breast, the coconut aminos, the honey, the garlic, the apple cider vinegar, the ginger, and the black pepper down into this. And then we're going to let it cook for 15 minutes on high pressure. Okay, now we're going to seal the vent on there. Always make sure that's sealed. We're going to hit pressure cook, and I'm going to go, it's already at 15. I'm going to go 15 minutes, and then it's going to start. And we're going to let that cook for 15 minutes in there. And when it's done, we're going to let it naturally release for 15 minutes. Okay, chicken's done. It's been actually released for a while. Open it up. I'm going to remove the chicken out, and I'm going to cut it into cubes. And I'm going to stick the arrowroot flour, or else I'm going to use probably just some regular flour. Put it back in there. I'm going to put the frozen vegetables in there. Okay, so now we're going to take the chicken out. I'm going to cut it into cubes, and then I'm going to let the juices sit in there. Stick the arrowroot flour or flour in there, the pineapple chunks, and the vegetables. And we're going to saute that in the crock pot. Okay, that's going to be all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you will check out all these ladies' videos. Make sure to click on the link in the description box for the next ladies channel. That way you can check out their video. And then it keeps going in the big circle of all the different awesome chicken recipes. It'll take the meal planning out for you for this week. But I appreciate every person that stops by, watches my channel. I'd appreciate it if you enjoy this type of content to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to turn your notifications on so that way you don't miss any videos. I'll see you guys next time. Have an awesome day.